Caffeinate your commute with WeatherTech's CupCoffee, an insert that fits larger mugs right into your vehicle's cup holder. Available in multiple sizes, CupCoffee is designed specifically for the Yeti Rambler family of products. Let's take a closer look. CupCoffee features a curved lip that makes it easy to remove and replace your tumbler while keeping your eyes on the road. All three sizes feature a cutaway opening that leaves room for large handles. The 24-ounce option features interior ribs that enhance the grip on taller mugs. All options come with removable WeatherTech Coasters, plus interchangeable base cups and a StickySleeve for a super precise fit in your cup holder. You can count on the quality and durability you'll be receiving. Each CupCoffee is 100% made in America out of American raw materials and is 100% recyclable. Give your Yeti Rambler a secure place to sit during your commute with the WeatherTech CupCoffee.